Welcome to a journey across time, mountains, and culture. Today, we explore the majestic land of Peru, a country nestled in the heart of the Andes with a history as rich as the gold of its ancient empires. Peru is more than Machu Picchu. It's a place where ancient civilization thrived, agriculture wonders were born, and traditional survived. Centuries of change from the mighty Inca Empire to superfoods on our shelves. Peru has given the world contributions that span science, nutrition, engineering, culture, and spirituality. So let's uncover 20 incredible gifts Peru has shared with the world, many of which you may have never realized came from the incredible South American nation. Now we will discuss 20 contributions of Peru to the world. Potatoes. Peru is the birthplace of the potato, with over 4,000 native varieties now a global food staple. Quinoa, known as the superfood today. Quinoa was a sacred grain to the Inca, rich in protein and nutrition. Machu Picchu, a wonder of the world and a symbol of advanced Inca architecture and spiritual heritage. The Inca road system, over 24,000 miles of trails, a sophisticated network connecting mountains, deserts, and forests. Nazca lines, enigmatic geoliths drawn into the desert, still puzzling scientists and archaeologists. Gold and silver metalwork. Ancient Peruvians were master metalworkers, crafting intricate objects for ceremony and trade. Coca leaf tradition used for centuries in Andean culture for energy, healing, and spiritual rituals. Llamas and alpacas, domesticated in Peru and crucial for Andean transport, wool, and survival. Andean textiles, complex weaving techniques passed down from generation, still admired worldwide. Peruvian cuisine, dishes like ceviche and lumu. Saltado fused indigenous Spanish, African, and ancient influences. Lake Titicaca, one of the world's highest navigable lakes, sacred to Inca and home to floating reed islands. Quipu, Inca data system, a system of notes used to record numbers and messages, an early form of data storage. Peruvian pink salt, harvested by hand in the Andes since pre-Inca times, now a gourmet product. Ayahuasca ceremonies used in Amazonian spiritual traditions, now studied for mental health therapy worldwide. Chili peppers, native to Peru, these spicy fruits have added flavor to cuisines around the world. Textile dyeing using natural plants. Ancient Peruvian communities mastered plant-based dyes, sustainable and beautiful. Terrace farming, ingenious agriculture techniques still used to grow crops in mountainous terrain. Andean music, pan flute and charango, unique instruments and haunting melodies had influenced world music. Pre-Columbian civilizations, Nazca, Mochi, Chavín. These cultures made massive contributions in art, pottery, and urban design long before the Inca. Astronomical knowledge. Ancient Peruvian aligned temples and cities with the stars, showcasing advanced cosmology. Peru is a country where the past breathes through every stone, every mountain path, and every meal. From revolutionizing global diets with potatoes and quinoa to astounding the world with its sacred cities and sky-drawn lines. Peru continues to captivate and contribute. It's a land where ancient wisdom meets modern curiosity and where cultural pride and natural beauty intertwine to create something totally unique. If this video helped you see Peru in a new light, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell us which Peruvian contribution surprised you more. Until next time, explore the world one wonder at a time.